Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm coming here today because I want to show you what I've been putting, what I'm going to put up on my Etsy shop next, okay? This is a kit of stuff for your journals or whatever you want to do with it. So in your kit you will have one of my doily flowers, okay? Two of my doily flowers. These are going to be called strawberry and cream, okay? A little purse that opens up that you can put stuff in. You can fasten that into the to the book. I have another doily flower made with the yo-yo and a button. There's three there in a bag. I have another bag here, a little purse, and it has a little pin on it and a butterfly. And I have these pins that I did, these paper clips, that one and that one. This one's got a flower, a rose, and that's got a butterfly, and that's got a little ladybug and some beads on the bottom of them. One's got a bulb pin and the other one's just got an ordinary little shiny pin on it. There's another flower, so that's 4 flowers, and I always drop something on the floor. I just never fail to do that. I don't know what's going on with that. It's another flower, so that'll be 5 flowers. I think I got all the stuff. And then I've got 2 tags that go with it. Now, the tags are made with a piece of course, off a tag. I've just decorated with the same fabric. A piece of gauze. I put a stamp on there on a piece of fabric. Made one of my fabric buttons and put a little flower and some buttons. And this one I've got some nice fabric that I've been using, and it's got a little tassely top and the thing in the top here that I've glued on there because I wanted it to sit down flat. Now there's some of the things there what you're going to get in the kit for this one here. I'm sure that I've got everything there. I'll just have a quick look in this box to see whether I missed anything. I don't think I did. I think I got it all out. So that's going to be how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 pieces there, and I will put that in my Etsy shop. Hopefully on Monday it will be there for anybody that's interested in buying it. So if you just go over to my Etsy, I will have that in the description box down below, and you can purchase this kit from me. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching. Now hang on, I won't go yet because I'm going to do another one. I'll do another one while I've got on. So I'll put this back in the bag. I will of course be putting it into a bag that I have decorated, and we will be doing that. So this one here is one that I've made a while back that I had got ready and I lost. So this one here is made out of lace and pieces of pattern paper, and it is sewn, and there's also a piece of embroidery sewn on there. Okay, so I've sewn all around this, and this really old pieces of lace that I've used is in, and that's a pocket envelope thing. Okay, this one here is another pocket. It's also got a bit of embroidery on it, a bit of tulle across the bottom, and it's sewn round, and it's got a little, I just made this sort of like paper tag thing that you can, that I've sewn around that as well. Okay, hang on, I've got to, I want to put it back in there. I'm sorry, I'm a little bit shaky. It's a bit late at night, and I don't usually do this late at night, and I should be having a shower, but we finished working on the room today, and I just wanted to do these so I can put them up later on. I won't be putting them up until about Monday anyway, on the weekends, but I wanted to do them. Now this must be just a tuck spot or something, but it's got a piece of embroidery on it and so forth. I need to get like embroidered fabric and a button, and there's sewn around. I need to get a little way ahead with my videos because I get so behind, but this one here is really nice. I do love this lace and that piece there. This is a piece cut out of the actual part of the pattern of the sleeve shape, and that'll be a nice tuck spot if you put it on your page, and you can tuck that down in there. That's pretty cool. There's another one. This one I did a ruffle across the top of it. I made these when I was in the other room, and I didn't find them until I moved in here, so I thought I'd better put them up here on the video anyway for you to have a look at. So I haven't put any ink or coloured them in any way, but if you like them like that, you can do it yourself, you know. You can put the trim around it yourself if you like it that way. This one here's another one with a nice piece of lace on it, and it's a pocket. You can put it something in there, and when you fasten it on your page you can probably have that open, so that's 2 pockets. I think I showed you that one. And this one here I did put in a book that I was doing, but I didn't actually put it in there, so I'm going to put that in too, and that's a double pocket, so you can put it in the middle of your signature or whatever, and you've got both sides there like that, and there's a bit of a journaling spot there for that. Okay, so there's the pieces for that one, and that one there has got with it I don't know how many pieces. I do believe I found another bit today, but I don't know what I did with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces to that one. And you might be lucky to get 8. Okay, if I can see that other bit. I've seen it here somewhere. But I put these down under something in the bottom of a box. Because they were so flat, I couldn't find them. So, but anyway, so that's another kit. And it will be, that first one's going to be called Strawberries and Cream. And this one here can be pattern and lace, okay, because it's got broad pattern and lace. Is that one is number 2. One is Strawberries and Cream, and 2 is pattern and lace. So if you go into my Etsy and have a look and see what you think about them. So thank you everybody for watching, and I really appreciate all your lovely comments, so please do comment. I'll be back soon with some more tutorials. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching.